Hello, here's a piece of advice for you. Always tell yourself whenever you're going to buy a stock, I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing. You've got to realize that you don't know. I know there's a lot of financial theory out there, such the efficient market hypothesis, portfolio theory, capital asset pricing model. But please realize that while these might have worked for a while, things are a bit different now. And quite frankly, assumptions used under these models are quite optimistic, to say the least. Therefore, think like a hedge fund manager. Think, I don't know nothing, meaning I have to be careful, meaning it's not about risk management. It's about risk taking. You cannot manage risk. Risk management means you think you could manage risk. You cannot manage risk. Okay, you don't understand it. You need to understand how to control it. And then you realize that you really can't control it. So have that in mind, so at least you're not disappointed with the market.